Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we are at Noble HVAC and Plumbing Trade Show happening in Vaughan, Ontario. There are more than 85 companies participating in this trade show. Lots of people are coming here. It's an exciting event. So let's go ahead and take a tour of this beautiful event.
Direction you can be walking in. Peter, how are you? No, thank you. So it tells me what direction it is. There's a strong signal. Now I'm kind of to my right to confirm. Signal drops. Picks up again, so it tells me this is the direction I'm going to walk in. So now point it to the ground and let's start walking this way. When you get to the really top of the camera, it'll be the top of the maximum signal, and then you're basically on top of it right there. So now it's automatically picking it up, center it, and then you can see it says 9 inches on the top. If you raise this up, it'll tell you the distance raised. Now it's left 1 foot 1 inch. All those 4 coordinates match, you're on top of the camera.
So what he's explaining, if you guys want to come up and look, it's actually telling him how far the device is off of the camera. You want to see? Go ahead. Repeatable, and how many on a battery charge? How many flares? Maybe a couple hundred?
120 we've done before when we were measuring. The important other thing to note is that we're actually measuring the flare. And in HVAC, we're talking about a science here.
Yeah.
And so torque and these measurements, I didn't bring a torque wrench up. We've got a great digital torque wrench, and those two things combined will virtually ensure that you do not have a leak on a flare. And if you were asking a lot of people who do flares on a regular basis, and they have to guarantee 100 flares, they would have a hard time personally guaranteeing the tightness of 100 hand cranked